ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep. So let's get to it. First off, happy Friday. So let's get out of the way and have a nice day and a good weekend. So yesterday's NetFlow was pretty mixed. This was really the only bearish one throughout the day, and we rose all day. That's why I put on X about flow line. We had 3 DTEs ripping, one that was bearish, and we kept going up till late day. Obviously, we sort of saw puts rise a little bit on all of these. SPY sitting around 593 right now, so we'll check all gamma here in a second. We did finish yesterday with a green DEX. So we are just kind of going back forth as we're going along there. Flow map, a lot of call selling a little bit further out in December. But remember, that's a live snapshot, so no reason to cover it too long right now. Divs, for the most part, I would say divs were mostly negative to close the day. So we'll find out pretty soon if we end up having some sort of red day. Customer sentiment continuing to kind of move its way up real slow into that bullish territory after that abrupt drop. Remember on Sunday I said one candle doesn't make a trend, and it has not, because we want to see what happens over the next few before we do anything else. So right now we're sort of kind of in a neutral area, not really bullish quite yet. Still pretty neutral to slightly bullish, sitting right there. Dark pools, 589.88, still the largest ag. So at some point, if that stays there, price will find a way to revisit it. We're about 593 right now, so it's not like we're that far away at the moment. Gamma, well, we're sitting right around this on the aggregate right here. Almost hard to roll over that 593. Largest pull on the ag is 595. So not a shocker if we get there. 590 is a big hold. That's been sort of the important thing all week with that 590. Let's go ahead and dig into today. Fridays are usually pretty crazy, so we may have to look into Monday. We'll see how clean Friday is. So Friday actually is an insane range of 579, with the largest pull being 595 all the way up to a tiny green bar at 605. So today is going to be a tricky one. Today is going to be what 0 day says, and today is going to be very important. And here's what I would advise. Once that gamma update rolls through an hour or two into the session, go into Monday's gamma and see what it looks like. Right now, showing pretty interesting with a pretty big pull down. But once that updates, if you go into Monday's gamma, you'll get an idea of next week's range, and also where we could be trapped a little bit today. But most importantly, continue to keep your eye on 0 day and NetFlow and flow line as the day goes on. That's going to be your indicator when we have these Fridays that we saw with just huge gaps of where gamma is. It'll all clean up a little bit more next week. All right, everybody, have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that over money.